today. Pistons with the clock inside 5. Go to Rodney for the drive. Missed it. Teletovic with a rebound. Rodney Stuckey gets credit for that one. Will Bynum's shot is short. Teletovic with a rebound. And tried to give it up and lost it. C.J. Watson to Jerry Stackhouse. Inside of Teletovic. Basket cut by Blatch. Falling down. Didn't get a call, but what a sweet shot that was.
Jerry Stackhouse is 3 of 3, and each shot has been tougher.
Minutes till halftime. Darren Williams dishes to Teletovic. Kind of a throw. That's one of his shots.
But Williams set a torrid pace in this game. He was quite the leader for them, George, to get them off the mark.
Feeling awful good about it. Chris Middleton gives to Charlie. 5 on the clock. Triple try in and out. Teletovic with a rebound. This is inside for Middleton. Glasser won't go. Mirza Teletovic. Monroe to the lane. Down he goes. Taken the other way by the Nets. Teletovic with a shot. He hits it. English down the lane. Circus scoop, no. Blatch with the board. Jerry Stackhouse dishes it inside for Teletovic. Good catch and shoot by Teletovic for the score. Rookies Coach Frank has nurtured. Knocks it down. He has 6. 109-72. Teletovic feeling good about it. And triples. Did he hit the iron there?
Did he circle his game or something? After he embarrassed
they all did.
Yeah, George, good point.
112-72. Yeah, he had a shot himself.
Sure, and he hasn't missed, so you wouldn't have faulted him if he'd taken it.
Will misses in the corner. Rebound slapped by Teletovic to Andre Blatch. 115-74. Brooklyn leads it. 2.5 to go in the game. Brooks with the drive and miss. Tapped it in. Caught the Pistons flat-footed.
Well, 2 guys going for the block, neither get it, so no one available to get an offensive rebound. Brooks able to finish it off.
Will the other way scores. He has 16.